Halo guys, so ketemu bareng aku bakal sekali tuh. Ya guys, kali tuh aku kak nge-react video seram baru. Ini video yang macam ngasuh hati macam ngasuh hati deh, tup tap. Kayak lah. So sama-sama kita nge-react video seram bakal ke malam tuh. Jam dia tuh menuju ke pukul 11.30 malam 6 hari bulan 2 2022. Terima kasih kalau kita udah klik and mendak cek video tu. Gak kita ke benda subscribe kita atau subscribe channel tu. Tekan butang lonceng and share ba dua. Dini alai kita ke share ba TikTok, Facebook ataupun ba WhatsApp. Walaupun nada ada pada WhatsApp. Okay guys, aku mayu aja aku mayu. Kini ni ayatan eh. Aku nggak aja aku mayu. Sama-sama kita terus nge-react video kali tu. Yeah. Let's go. Kita sama-sama ngaku takut. Nanti kita berani. Jenis keberani sama kita muda. Kalau kita masuk kita kelihatan. Seram. Aku nggak mereka. Okay. Itu adalah nanti ngeriak seram tu aku memang ngau seram sekali lah.
Without noticing, captures this.
Aku prefer kita ngena earphone ataupun ngena tu.
Bene.
Real ke sepatu. Ada kata dia. Okay.
One of Mark's static cameras captures what appears to be a pale translucent figure walking in front of his television nearby. Some of Mark's concerned live stream viewers believe the figure actually looks like a monk, but it's a bit hard to tell. But what do you think this sudden creepy appearance could be? Let me know down in the comments.
Anda yang muda takut dari kita rasa takut.
He decides to bring the allegedly cursed doll into his room, just to see what will happen, and it doesn't go well.
See guys, see. Oh yeah. What is that, bro?
Finally get about 10 to 15 feet from the door, it immediately stops, as does the flickering light. As they're examining the door, a loud banging noise comes from the door to their left. They turn to that door and find nothing in the room that leads to it.
Okay. Give me the some scary, yeah.
Ahí se está asomando algo, ¿eh? ¡Ey! ¿Quién eres? ¿Ven? Ese güey es el brujo. Sí. Sí, ese güey es el brujo, güey. Tengo forma eso, ¿eh? Sí. ¡Ey! Sí, es ese güey. ¡Ven! ¡Ven!
Macam sebuah kuburan lah.
¡Ven! Acércate.
Although it happens very briefly, if you take a good long look in the distance, you should be
Iya, ada bateri tapi jalan. Oh man.
This person heard banging inside of their home, so they went to go investigate. The banging was right in front of this person, but he could not find the source. This dude had security camera footage all over his house, so when he went to go check back later, he caught this bathroom door closing and a silhouette behind it. You guys definitely have to watch this until the end and look very closely. I'm gonna roll the clip right now.
Alright, listen. Song come from I think it's a bathtub. Bunyinya ada mandeknya itu bahasa Jepun tuh. Ada style yang po bathtub yang Jepun.
Alright guys, this is where it gets weird. Take a look.
Ready. Oke, ya nutup diri. Kita sudah sesuatu yang putih apa pintunya kan? Dia benar ngambil sabun. Banyak nyau.
In this video, the guy actually found a poltergeist in his house. He heard noises up in his room and noticed all his cabinets and drawers were open. Then a bunch of things on his bed scattered everywhere out of the blue. I'm gonna roll the clip right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below.
Oke. Nanti kita rasa video terseram kayak yang kita react tuh, kita takutin orang. Coverkan orang. What's going on?
This girl right here was babysitting and found a weird CD that said, "Do you want to see a ghost?" and took it home. What happened next when she put the CD in was terrifying. I'm gonna roll the clip right now.
Kau mesti baca apa itu? Kau suka baca. Yang nge-record CD-nya nge-record Yambung. How can?
When animals are afraid, that's exactly when you should be very afraid as well. This rabbit reacted in pure fear because of this right here. Something running with half of its body gone. I'm gonna roll the clip right now.
Namanya berjalan Belanda ada tubuh. Wah. Kita wadah kah? Tinggal yang bertubuh. Everything me every time after watching a horror movie. Okay.
This guy was exploring and caught a pipe moving on camera on its own. I'm gonna roll the clip right now.
Yeah, that's. Itu Korea tuh.
This video should serve as a reminder to always be aware of your surroundings because something might be behind you.
Oke, still kayak bayangan aku warna. Aku era tiba-tiba bisa another shadow over here. Kita paham.
Oh, they're so like they are.
Mati hatiku.
Those who have taken the tour over the years have sent Gary pictures of what they believe is evidence of the Blue Lady. A white streak captured immediately after this woman asked the Blue Lady to appear in her hand. A blue mist hovering above people walking around the building.
This mother was taking a seemingly normal picture of her kids, but upon reviewing the picture, this thing was in the background. I'm not sure what this thing is, but it looks like it's on the ground crawling and it doesn't have a face, so let's zoom in and take a better look. Let me know what you guys think this is. This could be a faceless entity in the photo, or it could be some object that was obscured because of the flash and the camera angle. But if it is something paranormal, they need to leave that house immediately.
Watch until the end.
Kayak botol kayak kita. Ih. Vampire kah itu? Maya itu vampire kah? Itu mana baru? Jung yang apa Maya? Semangat ya. Oke. Tenang. Bunyi ketuk yang aku nak suka tau. Bunyi yang slow and creepy like scrolls. Pandai amat.
Alright, this is my shit. Hold on.
You will see a variety of creatures living there. Lots of different types of insects, incrustations.
Before I put it in, I'll smack her ass.
Hurry up. Here, hurry up.
I smack your ass, bro.
Let's go.
Where you going, bro?
What just happened?
Where you going?
I've been asked to watch this video. Apparently this man catches a ghost in this stairwell. Look right here where this arrow is pointing. Very strange. Now he goes back and catches this. Wow.
Amazing. Ya, macam pelik. Okay.
Antu. Oh my god, Ricky.
Okay. Balat
Get the whole thing on video right here.
Mountain View.
Both getting attacked. Oh, we're both getting swarmed here. Oh my god. Oh, very nice. Right about her now? Mountain Dew, boy. Right in front of me. Wow.
Kiranya kita berjalan berkampung ke benang piknik ataupun benang berjalan berkampung. Dia terdengar aku punya tau. Tapi aku mesti meda video tu dan yang di explanation kan orang ini adalah sejenis haiwan lah ya macam munseng. Yes, jenis macam munseng punya. Apabila ia kap mengawan ataupun kap bersama dengan betina ya, ia akan bunyi tu lah. Namanya amat bunyinya ke ataupun iyalah.
Yeah, Lauren was my neighbor. We're just trying to find out where she is at this point. I mean, no one has seen her since Saturday. I haven't seen anything. I mean, I've always heard noise outside, but it's just people walking by pretty much.
What about in the parking lot area? I know they've been doing a lot of, I think that's where they have recovered the body or whatever they recovered from there.
Body?
Had you seen anything there?
I think I need to sit down.
Okay.
I'll do it too. Go there and get the bag. Oh, that's a. Here, go there and get the bag.
Oke.
He put it
Coba
back.
disampaikan itu.
He put the bag back. He's soft. Hey, he's soft. Get the bag. Get the bag.
Oke.
Oh, is she running? Is she running? Yo, she running. Look. Yo, look at that. Oh, shit. Oh, she's running. She's running. Oh, she's running. Oh, she got the bag. Yo!
Oh shit! A ghost! You motherfucking ghost! I'm gonna whoop that ass! I'm gonna whoop that ass!
Nanti level ketakutan udah tahap ada
Yeah!
perasaan. So guys, ni aja video ko untuk kalian tu. Harap kita enjoy. Stay tune. Harap kita buat video tu sampai habis. Thank you lah kita buat video tu sampai habis. Harap kita enjoy ya. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe dan terus support channel tu. Aku mencapai 1k subscriber untuk tahun tu. Aku haraplah aku akan capai 1k subscriber untuk tahun tu. Mari sama-sama tolong saya untuk kasih capai itu 1k subscriber guys. Okay? Itu saja dari saya. Nyajak dari aku and aku Alistair. Thank you untuk support kita. Okay? See you.